What's up, Flashbeat fam? Get ready for a whirlwind of news hitting you faster than a meteor shower. First up, BlackRock is making massive moves in Bangalore, signing a colossal Rs 410 crore office lease. We're talking prime real estate, and Ankita Mallick's stunning photography is just the cherry on top of this news Sunday. Next, we're jetting over to Texas, where Bradford Commercial Real Estate Services is absolutely crushing it, locking down a staggering 74,585 square feet across 7 cities. This leasing rally is reshaping the North Texas landscape, and you'll want to know who's making these power plays. Then, we're diving deep into a topic that's hitting home for so many of us: the death of the traditional office. Is the office as we know it officially over? We'll explore the forces behind this seismic shift, from the iconic movie Office Space to the realities of remote work and Bossware. And finally, we're unraveling the dramatic saga of WeWork. From a $47 billion valuation to a spectacular crash, we're dissecting the story of Adam Neumann and the carking giant that redefined and nearly broke the commercial real estate market. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. BlackRock's Bangalore Blitz. BlackRock just dropped a bombshell in Bangalore's real estate scene, inking a massive Rs 410 crore office lease. This isn't just any deal. It's a signal of major investment and confidence in the city's commercial property market, with Ankita Mallick's captivating photography adding a touch of artistic flair to the business headlines. This colossal lease signifies a significant expansion and commitment by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers, into one of India's most dynamic economic hubs. The sheer scale of the transaction highlights the ongoing demand for premium office spaces, even amidst evolving work models. It's a strategic move that could reshape the commercial landscape in Bangalore, attracting further investment and setting new benchmarks for office leasing. News of this massive lease has sent ripples through the business and real estate communities, with analysts closely watching its impact on the local market. Social media is buzzing about the potential implications for job creation and economic growth in Bangalore, while also celebrating the visual artistry of Ankita Mallick's contributions that often accompany such significant business news. This deal is huge, but what's happening across the globe in commercial real estate? Get ready, because Bradford's leasing rally in Texas is even bigger. Texas leasing frenzy. Bradford Commercial Real Estate Services is on fire, sealing a massive 74,585 square feet of industrial and office space across 7 Texas cities in a single quarter. This isn't just a few deals. It's a full-blown leasing rally demonstrating incredible resilience and demand in the North Texas commercial market. The sheer volume of transactions, spearheaded by Bradford, indicates a robust appetite for commercial real estate, particularly in the industrial sector. Michael W. Spain of Bradford highlights that industrial leasing activity and absorption remain strong, with rental rate growth projected to continue. This sustained momentum is crucial for the region's economic health, especially given current market challenges like high vacancy rates and trade uncertainties. The market is reacting with optimism, with real estate professionals and investors closely monitoring Bradford's activity as a bellwether for the region. Discussions are heating up online about the specific submarkets seeing the most action, from Farmers Branch to Euless, showcasing the widespread impact of this leasing surge. While Texas is booming, the very concept of the office is under siege. We're about to explore the death of the office and what it means for the future of work. The office is dead, long live the office. For decades, the office has been a symbol of routine and hierarchy, a reality famously captured in the cult classic Office Space. Now, in the wake of the pandemic, the traditional office is facing an existential crisis, with remote and hybrid work models becoming the new norm for millions. The shift away from the physical office isn't just about convenience. It's a fundamental renegotiation of the relationship between labor and capital. While the pandemic accelerated this transition, offering workers a taste of autonomy and freedom from commutes and micromanagement, it also revealed new forms of control. Bossware and advanced surveillance technologies are now extending corporate oversight into workers' homes, intensifying alienation and blurring the lines between work and personal life. Despite these challenges, the vast majority of workers are resisting a full return to the office, with polls showing a strong preference for flexibility. Corporations, however, are pushing back, seeking to regain control through digital monitoring and enforced in-office days. This ongoing struggle highlights a deep-seated desire among workers to reclaim autonomy over their labor and their time, challenging the traditional structures of corporate control. From the fight for autonomy to the rise and fall of an empire. Next, we're diving into the dramatic story of WeWork. WeWork, the billion-dollar dream and nightmare. WeWork, once valued at a staggering $47 billion, is a cautionary tale of ambition, hype, and a business model built on shaky foundations. Led by the charismatic Adam Neumann, the carking giant promised a revolution in office space, but its spectacular rise was followed by an equally dramatic fall. Founded on the principle of leasing large office spaces and subletting them on flexible terms, WeWork capitalized on the post-financial crisis market and the growing demand for startup-friendly environments. Neumann's vision of a physical social network and his ability to position WeWork as a tech company, rather than a real estate one, attracted massive investment from giants like SoftBank. However, beneath the glossy exterior of free beer and arcade games lay a business model with unsustainable costs. Long-term leases versus short-term sublets, and ever-widening losses masked by creative accounting and ambitious projections. The fallout was immense, with WeWork's valuation plummeting, Neumann's ousting, and ultimately bankruptcy. The story has captivated the public, spawning books and TV series like We Crashed, and serves as a stark reminder of the volatility in the startup world. Even after emerging from bankruptcy, the company's future remains uncertain, with its India division pursuing an IPO, highlighting the diverse trajectories within the coworking giant's legacy. That's a wrap on our top stories for today. Stay tuned for a lightning round recap and your full CTA. And that's a wrap, Flashbeat fam. We saw BlackRock make a massive Rs 410 crore lease in Bangalore, Bradford lock down over 74,000 SQFT in Texas, the office face its potential demise, and the incredible saga of WeWork unfold. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Flashbeat for more lightning-fast news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment below telling us which story blew your mind the most. Follow us on all social platforms for behind-the-scenes action and more. See you next time.